Hi, thanks again for joining me in this video. I like to use these videos to answer many of the common questions that we frequently get from clients. And one of the more recent questions we have been getting is, what are some of the factors that go into our decisions to buy and sell certain securities? So I'd like to use a hypothetical example to explain how we use yield to determine when to buy and sell certain investments in your account. Now, this is a hypothetical example, but it is based on an actual security that we did buy and sell in many client portfolios. And in this example, we bought the shares for $10 per share. And at the time we purchased them, it was yielding 72 cents per year in an annual dividend. So to calculate the yield on the security, you would divide the income of 72 cents divided by the share price of $10 per share to get a yield of 7.2%. So it was a very attractive yield when we bought the security, and we held it for quite a while in many client accounts. Now, if we fast forward for a while, what occurred was that the share price on these shares had increased quite a bit. And so if we look at it, it was still yielding 72 cents per share in income. However, the share price had risen to $12.53. So if you do the same math and divide the 72 cents per year in income divided by the current share price of $12.53, what you find is that the yield actually decreased to 5.75%. Still pretty attractive, but significantly lower than the 7.2% we had when we originally purchased it. So, in this example, what you see is that the income had remained the same, but the gain in the share price had created a lower yielding security. So what did we do? We took that opportunity to sell that specific position, and we were able to lock in a capital gain of a little over 25%. We then took the proceeds and invested that into a new security. That new security was yielding in excess of 7%, and we're hopeful that we'll continue to collect that income and hopefully see its share price rise as well. So this is one factor we use when we buy and sell certain securities in your account. And in this scenario, what we see is it allows us to invest for yield, create a consistent income, but hopefully generate some capital gains as well. And thus far, we've been pretty successful with this strategy. Now, as we move forward, the last month or two has seen us exit a number of positions. We're at a higher level of cash in many client portfolios, and we plan to redeploy this cash in a number of yield-based securities over the next month or two. So each portfolio with our firm is individually managed and is unique in nature. So if you've got specific questions about your account, what we're doing with it specifically, and your individual needs, please feel free to give us a call. Myself, Marcus, Jeff would be happy to get together with you, and we'd love to sit down, go over your portfolio, and answer any questions that you have. I hope you're doing well as we come to the end of another school year and get started with another summer. If there's anything we can do to assist you, please feel free to give us a call. Myself and all of my staff would be eager to assist you. Thanks very much, and I hope you have a great day.